Hello friends. Friends, many times we have observed that when we climb down from a car, we feel electric shock. Now, why do we get electrical shock when we climb down from car and how to stop getting electrical shock from car? Now, today we will discuss this. Now, this is basically due to the concept of static electricity. Now, what is the meaning of static electricity? The meaning is imbalance of charges because our body everything is made up of atoms. Now atom has, because there is a science behind it, now atom has at the center nucleus, then we have electrons revolving around the nucleus in different orbits, just like the planets revolve around the sun. Now for example, take the example of two bodies. Now two bodies A and B. Now if we rub these two bodies, for example, if we rub a comb with our hair, we will feel a flash of light. We will feel flash of light due to friction. That happens due to the transfer of charges. Now for example, if we rub body A and B, and if there will be transfer of charge from A to B, now electron, for example, negative charges are transferred from A to B. For example, 10 electrons are transferred from body A to body B. Now body B will become negatively charged, and because body A has lose the 10 electrons, it will become positively charged. Now this is known as imbalance of charges. This is concept of static electricity. Now why do we feel electric shock when we climb down from a car? This is due to the static electricity. Static electrical shocks from cars are caused by the friction between your clothes and the car's seat fabrics. Now when one climb out of the car, his or her body directly connected to the earth, and the static electricity runs through him or her to the earth. This sudden transfer of charge from body to earth results in electrical shock. Now let us try to understand this with a hypothetical example. Now you are driving a car, and your body and car seat is rubbing each other, and car seat is made up of nylon, polyester clothes, and for example, from your car seat, this is seat and this is driver. Okay, now from your car seat, electrons are transferred from seat to the driver. Now for example, 100 electrons are transferred. Okay, now when you stop a car and when you will climb down from car, then you are directly in contact with the earth. When you became in direct contact with the earth, you suddenly transfer these electrons, 100 electrons, to the earth, because our body wants to be in the neutral state. Okay, because of this sudden transfer, you feel electrical shock. Okay, I hope you understood that why we got electrical shock when we climb down from a car. Now, is there any method to lessen this effect? Yes, of course there is a method. The first one is by holding onto a metal part of the car. For example, the edge of the door as one get out. Now this allows the car's body to absorb the static charge gradually, because first you will touch the metal part of the car, then you will touch your feet to the earth. Now there is transfer of charge from driver to the metal part, then earth. So you are transferring the charge not directly, you are transferring the charge from driver to metal part and then to the earth. So there is a gradual transfer of charge, so the effect will be lessened. Another methods, replace winter fabrics, because you will feel this shock mostly in winters, which can add more static like wool, fur, silk, polyester with neutral fabrics like cotton, leather if you want to change the clothing of your seat cover. There are anti-static sheets or spray that you can spray on your clothing and car fabric. So by these methods, you can lessen the effect of electrical shock. So my dear friends, thank you. I hope you have understood that why you got electrical shock when you climb down from the car. Thank you. Thanks a lot.